This is your technical update from the LMAX Exchange Research and Analytics Desk for Thursday, November 20th, 2014. So the euro continues to extend its recovery off recent 2014 lows at 123.58, with the market now approaching critical resistance in the form of the 50-day moving average at 126.55. So these are going to be the key levels that you want to pay attention to above and below. The 50-day moving average at 126.55, a break above would open a shift in the structure potentially, while back below 123.58 keeps the pressure on the downside and exposes the 2012 base at 120.40. Sterling dollar. Cable put in an impressive bullish outside day formation on Wednesday, and this sets the stage for a potential bounce off of 2014 lows set on Wednesday at 155.90. But a break back above 57.35 would be required for a legitimate correction, and this would open the door towards 59.45. Inability to take out 57.35 on Thursday keeps the pressure on the downside for a break back below 55.90 and then a move down towards the 54 to 55 area. Dollar yen. Dollar yen has broken to yet another fresh 7-year high just shy of 119 on Thursday, but the market continues to track in severely overbought territory on a daily, weekly, and monthly time frame. There is risk for a correction ahead, but the market will need to break back below Wednesday's low at 116.80 to convince of a correction. Euro Swiss. Euro Swiss continues to trade lower, just off the critical psychological barrier at 120. A break below 120 would likely open an acceleration to the downside towards 119, and back above 120.45, which is the previous base, 2014 base, would be required to take the immediate pressure off the downside. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar looks like it's done correcting following the recovery off the 85.41 yearly low that was set on the 7th November. A fresh lower top looks like it wants to carve out at 87.96. That's the high from the 17th of November, and it'll be confirmed on a break below 85.41 and then expose a move towards the 83.50 area further down. Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD is in the process of attempting to recover back within the broader underlying uptrend. A higher low is now sought out somewhere around the 1260 area in favor of a fresh upside extension beyond the yearly high at 1467 and towards the 117, 118 area further up. Really only back below 1122 would give reason for a concern and a shift in the structure. Kiwi dollar. Kiwi has enjoyed a nice correction out from the yearly lows at 76.60, but the market has recently stalled out just shy of 80 at a high of 79.75 ahead of this latest pullback. A break back below 76.60 would confirm bearish continuation down towards the 7400 area, while only above 80.35 would compromise the current trend. SPX 500. The SPX 500 is in the process of pulling back just a little bit from recent record highs that were set on Tuesday just shy of 2060. But a break and close back below 2030, that's the low that we had seen on the 17th of November, would be required to trigger the onset of a correction and open a move down towards the 2002 area. Gold. Gold has enjoyed a nice little recovery out from the recent 4-year lows at 1131, trading all the way up to 1205 ahead of the latest minor pullback. Key levels that you need to pay attention to over the coming sessions are the recent high at 1205 and then a low that we had seen back yesterday on Wednesday at 1175. A break on either end would be required for the next directional bias, but ultimately while the market holds below 1256, the focus is on the downside and a move towards 1100. That's all for today. Have a good one. We'll see you back again on Friday.